More homes went under contract this past week, and Annapolis resale inventory is rising. It's Friday, June 14th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Last year, there were only 105 homes for sale. In this report, there are 135 resale ones, and another 19 homes are coming soon. 29 hit the market over the past week. 22 homes went under contract in 8 median days since last report. 22 homes sold in 5 days at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals in the area rose to 33 at $3,000 median dollars per month. For landlords, a few changes in legislation have passed that should be noted. Among those, a tenant must receive right of first refusal if a landlord wishes to sell the property. There will be an exclusive 30-day period for the tenant to develop their offer on the property and time added for additional negotiations. Another item to note is the restriction from asking for more than 1 month's security deposit. This is down from the prior allowance to request up to 2 months for a security deposit. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 14th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.